Ladies and gentlemen, this special investiture ceremony is being held for the conferment of two awards. The first award shall be conferred by the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan upon His Majesty King Abdullah II Ibn al-Hussein, King of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. Majesty upon His Excellency Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Mr. President, I request your permission to read out the two citations in sequence. I shall first read the citation for His Majesty King Abdullah II Ibn al-Hussein, King of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. His Majesty King Abdullah II Ibn al-Hussein, King of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan, is a visionary leader and a statesman of exceptional stature, who has championed the cause of moderation, justice, and dialogue amongst nations. Under His Majesty's sagacious leadership, the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan has emerged as a beacon of stability, tolerance, and prosperity in the region. His unwavering advocacy for a just and lasting resolution of the Palestinian question and his efforts towards reaching the Gaza peace agreement have earned him profound international acclaim, recognition. His Majesty has been a steadfast friend of Pakistan. By virtue of his personal engagement, the bilateral relations between Pakistan and Jordan have been significantly strengthened across diverse fields, encompassing political and economic cooperation, defense collaboration, educational partnerships, cultural exchanges, and people-to-people contacts. These developments serve to reinforce the enduring foundation of the historic friendship and brotherhood between the two nations, while concurrently fostering new avenues of cooperation. The people and government of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan deeply value His Majesty King Abdullah II Ibn al-Hussein's commitment to strengthening the bilateral relations and his consistent solidarity with Pakistan. In recognition of his remarkable statesmanship and enduring contributions for further cementing Pakistan-Jordan relations, coupled with promotion of regional and international peace, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer upon His Majesty King Abdullah II Ibn al-Hussein the award of Nishan-e-Pakistan as a symbol of profound respect, admiration, and friendship from the people and government of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, I shall now read the citation for the President, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, on behalf of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. In the name of God, the compassionate, the merciful. By the grace of God, we, King Abdullah II Ibn al-Hussein, King of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan, out of our deep pride in the mutual trust between us, and our dear friend, His Excellency, Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, the President of the Friendly Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and to reaffirm the deep ties of friendship between us, as well as the excellent relations between our countries and peoples, it gives us great pleasure on the occasion of our visit, Your Excellency, with the Order of the Bejeweled Grand Cordon of Al-Nahda, which we hope will be a gift emblematic of goodwill, happiness, and many blessings. I now request His Majesty, King Abdullah II Ibn al-Hussein, to please come forward. Mr. President, may I request you to decorate the award of Nishan-e-Pakistan upon His Majesty. I would also request the Prime Minister of Pakistan to grace the conferment. Now I request His Majesty King Abdullah II Ibn al-Hussein to confer the Order of the Bejeweled Grand Cordon of Al Nahda upon the President, Islamic Republic of Pakistan.